All right, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, we are running a series on Bybit. All right, we are going to take you through a whole lot in Bybit. All right, how you can make money for yourself from Bybit and a whole lot of things. Like how to open account if you don't have an account with Bybit. All right, and how to actually verify your account, because before you can actually start using Bybit for anything, you have to make sure that your account is verified. That is very, very important. So, right, how to buy and sell cryptocurrency. All right, how to convert your USDT to any cryptocurrency at all. All right, how to participate in Launchpad and Launchpool as well. All right, there's a difference between Launchpad and Launchpool. All right, you can actually make money from those two platforms on Bybit. So I'm going to take you through on how you're going to participate on that. All right, how to trade spot. Okay, how to trade spot in Bybit. All right, how to trade spot, how to also trade futures, how to trade futures as well. I'm going to take you through how to hunt for airdrops, and you know that any airdrop that Bybit is actually supporting is not going to be all those kind of airdrops that you just participate and you discover at the end of the day it's not really legit. You understand? Before Bybit actually promotes an airdrop, you should know what that means. All right, so I want to take you through a whole lot of things on this series and many more. All right, that's, in fact, it's going to be an amazing time together here. So please, before I get into the video, I want to play with you. Right, if you are seeing this video and you've not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do well to make sure that you subscribe. All right, we are bringing you a massive content in this YouTube channel, so please help us to grow by subscribing to this channel so that we can be encouraged to bring you more massive content on this channel. All right, that being said, thanks so much in advance, because I know that you're going to subscribe. All right, so let's just dive into what we have to do today. All right, so first of all, go to your Play Store, make sure that you have the app. Right, so I'm actually in my Play Store now, and once you get there, just type Bybit. You can see Bybit that I type here up, and once you do that, you see it's display like this. You can see it display on my screen. Right, then what you want to do is for you to click on install, like I'm doing now. Click on it, let it install. All right, so once it has installed, we'll be back and continue. All right, once you have installed it like this, all right, you see it open instead of install. Please take note, you see it open, and what you have to do now, you just click on it, click on that open. All right, then it will take you to the app itself. So let's wait for it to open. All right, so once you are here, you click on sign up. All right, because you've not had any account yet. All right, if you have account already, you can go for login now. Already have an account, login now, right? But if you don't have an account, you have to click on what? Sign up. So let me just click on sign up so that I can take you through how you can actually sign up an account. All right, so let's fix our email here. All right, make sure that the email that you're using is actually an email that you can have access to. That is very, very important, because a code will be sent to that email so that you can actually take the code from the email, fix it in the app, right? Then you can move on. Okay, I want to believe that is taken note of. So just click on what? Sign up. So once you click on sign up, this captcha will actually show up, right? So what you need to do is for you to slide this captcha to fit in to this box, right? Like the way I'm doing it that way. So release your hand. All right, if you have done it correctly, it will go through. Then the code will be sent to your mail. So let me quickly check my email and get the code. Right. All right, I've just seen the code sent. So let me just put it right in 240372. All right, make sure that you meet up with the time frame. All right, so now once you've done that, they will now ask you to put what your password to create your password. All right, make sure that you meet the requirements. Right, it has to be at least 3 to 30 characters, at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, at least one number. Please take note of those requirements. Right, so let me just fix in something. Let me say my year of sorry, my year of making money 20. That's funny, right? 2025. All right, so that has met all the criteria. All right, so just click on sign up. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is for you to verify your account. Very, very important, right? Now, if you don't verify your Bybit account, you have actually created the account now. So the next thing you want to do is for us to verify the account. And if you don't verify the account, Bybit will restrict you from doing a whole lot of things. In fact, you not even enjoy using your Bybit account at all. So you must verify your account. So let me just take you through how you can verify your account, right? So you just click on this verify my identity, right? Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, it will bring you to this page. All right, so once you are here, just click on I have confirmed on my selection as true and correct. Just click on it. All right, and click on confirm. Okay, so just click on verify here. All right, so once you click on verify, now me that is from Nigeria, Bybit has actually identified my location. Right now, if you're not in Nigeria, Bybit will actually pick your location as well. Right, so I am in Nigeria. That is why Bybit actually picked my location, and you can see there are ways by which you can actually verify my account here. One is BVN, right? Second one is ID card, driver's license, passport, residential permit, right? So it depends on the one you want to use, the one that you have. But for me, I would recommend you use your BVN, right? Use your BVN. BVN is actually very fast, right? So you just click on confirm. It's already on BVN, right? It's already on BVN. You just click on confirm. It takes a little time to get this done. All right, allow Bybit to take pictures and record videos. Just click on only this time. All right, that's the second option there. All right, so once you are here, you see this instruction. I am a resident of or live in all countries except USA. All right, then United States of America. Now, this first option are people outside United States of America, people that are not staying in America. You can go for the second option. If you are staying in the United States of America, you can go for the second option, right? But if you are not staying in the United States of America, right, you can go for the first option. I want to believe that's clear. All right, like me now, I'm staying in Nigeria, so I'm going for the first option, right? Just click on it and click on continue. Now once you are here, now what is required of you is a selfie. All right, so you just click on continue. So once you click on continue, they ask you to put your BVN number. First of all, BVN number and your last name, right? So once you put your BVN number here and put your last name, you click on continue. Right, the next thing that they want to do is for them to actually ask to snap you. Right, I have a Bybit account already. I'm not going to do this because this might be implicating if I create another account again. The only thing I can do is for me to create a sub account, which I'm going to take you through on how you can create a sub account, because the people that use different accounts on Bybit, you can have one account but create sub accounts for different things. It functions like the same main account, but there are sub accounts that you can use for different things. People can use some of them for trading, can use some of them for storing your currency, your cryptocurrency, can use some of them for other things you will feel like doing. All right. I'm going to create a video by which I'll be showing you how to create sub accounts on Bybit. But normally that's how to create your Bybit account and also verify your Bybit account. All right. So that's going to be all for this video. And please, like I said, we have a lot for you on Bybit. It's going to be a lot of series that, in fact, it will blow your mind. So please consider subscribing to this channel. All right, and also turn on the notification button so that once we drop videos like this, you can always be notified for it to be a part of what we are sharing here. All right, so also please help us to grow the channel. It's very, very important. Just try and support us. We really appreciate that. All right, that being said, that's going to be all for this video, and see you on the next one.